Hello and welcome to StorageAuctions.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an auction event from your mobile device. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your account. Go ahead and click on the arrow on the left hand side of your screen. Go to your Auctions tab. Then you're going to go ahead and select Add New Auction Event. From here you can select the start time that you want the auction to go live at. If you want it to go live immediately, you can just leave this alone. For your end time, we recommend leaving the auction up for 2 weeks' time, so you can go ahead and change that. If you need to change the time that it's going to end, you can use these toggles. We just suggest ending the auction at your least busiest time of day because winning bidders will more than likely be calling you to schedule their pickup times pretty shortly after it ends. Once you're done with your start and end time, you can select your location from the drop-down. When your location is selected, it's going to autofill all of this information for you. Your ending offset, you can leave that at 3 minutes. This is if you have more than one unit in your auction event. The first one is going to end at that end time that you selected. For example, we can just say 3 p.m. And then your second one wouldn't end until 3:03. This is in case a bidder wants to bid on more than one unit in your auction event. They have the opportunity to do so. We're going to scroll on down because all of this would have been autofilled for you. If your state allows for a public notice in place of a newspaper ad, you can go ahead and check this box and we will create one for you. If you do not need a public notice, leave this unchecked. Continue down to fill out your unit information, your unit number, the unit size. If you don't see your unit size here, please let us know, we can add it. Your unit type, so climate controlled, not climate controlled, or you can list the manager build up. The starting bid amount, you can't change this. It's always going to start at 10, so you can leave that alone. In your unit description, when this is posted on the site, before the unit description, it's going to say this unit appears to contain ... and then it's going to list out everything you put in this box. So you can just make it a list. So we're just going to put TV, furniture, boxes, totes, things like this. You're going to do the same thing for tags. So click into this bar, start typing something out, and it's going to list out all the tags we have for TV. So I'm just going to say flat screen TV, boxes, and totes. The purpose of these tags is if a bidder goes online and they search for a storage unit with boxes in it, if yours has that tag, your unit is going to pop up. So it makes it easier to find for our bidders. Then you're going to scroll down. If you did not check to create a public notice, then you do not have to fill out any of this information. If you do need a public notice, make sure you fill out everything. So for this example, we're just going to leave this blank and move on. We're going to click Save and Add Photos. So when you do this, it's going to save all the information you've filled in so far. It's going to bounce you back to this top of the screen and just let you know that it's been added. So now it's a draft. So you can scroll down and now we can add our photos. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Upload Images and it's going to take me here. So I'm just going to add a photo for an example. Keep in mind, we do recommend adding 7 to 10 photos if you can. You can get one wide photo of everything in the unit and then some zoomed in photos or different angles of the unit. Once you've uploaded all the photos, you can click Done Uploading Photos and it'll bring you back to your auction event. Scroll down, and if you want to review the photos you've added, you can click on this down arrow and it'll expand all the information you've entered so far. So scroll down, make sure at least one photo is set as your default. This is the first photo the bidders are going to see. And then if you're wanting to add another unit, you can click Add Unit. If you want to just save this as a draft and finish working on it later, you can save event, or you can go ahead and hit Save and Launch. Once you save and launch, you will not be able to edit anything further. So if you made a mistake, please give us a call so we can take care of that for you. And that is it. Once the auction has gone live on our site, you are done. You have successfully created an auction event from your mobile device.